The top 6 vitamins to turn off anxiety. Anxiety is a condition of the nervous system where the body becomes stuck in a constant state of fear. This response is known as the fight or flight mode. When your mind senses a possible threat or danger, your body automatically begins releasing stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. These chemicals raise blood pressure, speed up your heartbeat, redirect blood flow toward your muscles, and alter your breathing patterns so you can either run away or defend yourself as a survival mechanism. The problem is that your mind cannot tell the difference between a genuine physical threat and one that exists only in your thoughts. So if you experience persistent worry, doubt, or fear in your daily life, such as money stress, conflicts, or concerns about other people, or constant exposure to negative news on television or online, you can gradually become emotionally attached to these fears. Over time, your body begins to interpret life as a non-stop emergency. As a result, your nervous system stays locked in this ongoing fight or flight response. Anxiety symptoms, sleep disturbances, difficulty shutting off your thoughts or entering a deep, restorative sleep cycle. Constant problem solving. Your mind feels like it never stops analyzing situations, creating endless internal chatter. Memory issues. Prolonged stress can interfere with memory recall, causing frequent mental blanks and forgetfulness, especially when sleep quality is poor. Lump in the throat. Many people experience throat tightness that creates a lump sensation, and the voice may become higher or softer as anxiety increases. Nausea may also occur. Negative mindset. Chronic anxiety often pulls people into persistent negativity, where they notice what's wrong in the world while overlooking what's good. This pattern can come and go, but is common with long-term anxiety. Avoidance. You may begin avoiding everyday situations, such as social gatherings, because you feel unable to cope with the emotional discomfort. When anxiety continues for many years, it can increase the risk of conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic health problems. This happens because constant stress places heavy strain on the adrenal glands, eventually leading to hormonal imbalances in both men and women. In this video, I'm going to share the top 6 vitamins that help switch off anxiety by calming the stress response inside your body. You'll also learn about simple lifestyle adjustments you can use to address the root causes of anxiety. When I use the term vitamins, I'm referring broadly to include phytonutrients, minerals, and herbs that can help ease anxiety on a long-term basis. Before we begin, a quick reminder that this video is for educational purposes only. Always speak with your healthcare provider before replacing medications or adding supplements alongside current treatments. Vitamin B1, thiamine. The first nutrient on the list is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Many individuals dealing with anxiety are deficient in thiamine. Key brain areas such as the amygdala and hippocampus rapidly use up B1 reserves whenever you feel stressed, emotional, or under threat. Consuming high amounts of sugar, processed foods, or caffeinated beverages can further drain vitamin B1 levels. To replenish your stores, begin taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast each day, which is rich in B1 and the full B complex. You can mix it into yogurt, soups, stews, or sprinkle it over salads. Because B vitamins are water-soluble, they absorb extremely fast. Many people notice a calmer, more relaxed feeling within minutes. These vitamins help regulate the autonomic nervous system, restoring balance and shutting down the overactive fight-or-flight response that drives anxiety. As levels improve, you may notice reduced nervousness, less irritability, fewer nightmares, and a decline in panic attacks. Additional sources of vitamin B1 include sunflower seeds, organic pork, pasture-raised eggs, and wild-caught fish, probiotics. Inside your large intestine lives a vast population of beneficial bacteria. These friendly microbes help digest food and support overall health throughout the body. They also manufacture essential B vitamins such as B1, B2, and B12, all of which play a major role in mood stability and anxiety prevention. Unfortunately, these bacteria are extremely delicate and can be damaged by antibiotic medications, artificial sweeteners like aspartame found in diet sodas, non-organic foods sprayed with pesticides and weed killers, or a lack of soluble fiber, which causes the microbiome to slow down. To strengthen your gut bacteria, start including fermented vegetables at least 3 times per week. Examples include sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, and kefir, all of which are rich in probiotics. You should also eat foods high in soluble fiber, also known as prebiotics, such as chia seeds, avocados, asparagus, cocoa powder, and pecans. If desired, you may also take a probiotic supplement providing at least 100 billion CFUs daily. As your microbiome becomes healthier, it begins producing neurotransmitters that directly calm the brain, including GABA, dopamine, and serotonin. If you're finding this information helpful, please tap the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition content. Vitamin D. People who experience anxiety, poor sleep, or excessive overthinking often have elevated cortisol levels. Cortisol is the primary stress hormone, responsible for keeping the body alert during perceived danger. While this is helpful in emergencies, it becomes harmful when the body cannot switch it off. Spending time outdoors and allowing sunlight to reach your skin stimulates natural vitamin D production, which counteracts cortisol and promotes relaxation. Sadly, billions of people worldwide are deficient in vitamin D due to indoor lifestyles and limited sun exposure, making anxiety symptoms significantly worse. For this reason, many experts recommend supplementing with 10,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, along with 100 micrograms of vitamin K2. This combination helps lower cortisol and guides the body back into a balanced state of calm focus and emotional stability. Magnesium and potassium. Magnesium and potassium are essential minerals and electrolytes that regulate energy production inside the mitochondria of your cells. These nutrients are found mainly in vegetables, especially leafy greens. When levels are low, the body becomes far more susceptible to anxiety, depression, insomnia, and mental fog. Magnesium plays a major role in producing calming neurotransmitters such as serotonin and GABA, which support happiness and emotional well-being. It is also required to activate vitamin B1 into its usable form. Magnesium helps release stored tension in muscles and is commonly used to relieve cramps and physical tightness caused by stress. Potassium works alongside magnesium by supporting nerve signaling and helping shut down the fight or flight response. To boost these minerals, regularly eat avocados and leafy greens such as kale, broccoli, beet tops, collard greens, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and radishes. You may also use electrolyte powders containing potassium citrate at 1,000 mg and magnesium citrate at 120 mg mixed into water. Passion flower tea. If you struggle with anxiety, reducing caffeine intake from coffee, soda, and energy drinks is extremely important, as these stimulate cortisol production. Fortunately, many herbal teas have been used for thousands of years to calm stress naturally. Passion flower is especially powerful and contains plant compounds shown to increase GABA levels in the brain. GABA slows overactive nerve signals within the central nervous system, allowing the body and mind to relax. Research has shown passion flower tea to be as effective as the anti-anxiety medication oxazepam without the side effects. Drink 1 cup of passion flower tea in the evening, or steep 1 tablespoon of dried passion flower in hot water. This tea promotes deep relaxation, improves sleep quality, and helps restore overall nervous system balance. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an ancient medicinal herb native to parts of Asia and Africa and has been used for over 3,000 years to manage stress. As an adaptogen, it helps the body adapt to stress by balancing hormones and improving how the brain and tissues respond to change. Taking 1,200 milliliters of ashwagandha extract daily in capsule form can rapidly calm nervous tension. This herb contains phytochemicals called withanolides, which have been scientifically shown to lower cortisol and stabilize blood sugar levels. The result is improved mood, better sleep, and powerful support for those with chronic anxiety. Other adaptogenic herbs with similar effects include rhodiola, Panax ginseng, astragalus, and holy basil. As you can see, many foods and nutrients help deactivate the sympathetic fight or flight system and activate the parasympathetic rest and digest response, allowing deep relaxation and tension release. I've personally dealt with anxiety and chronic stress for many years, and these remedies have been incredibly helpful for me. While nutrients like vitamin B1, potassium, and magnesium are foundational for mood stability, it's also important to address the deeper lifestyle factors contributing to anxiety so lasting peace becomes possible. Many people try to push through anxiety because life demands productivity. But over time, this often leads to depression and serious health issues. When you dedicate even 1 hour per day to relaxation and calming your nervous system, mental clarity begins to return. Tasks become easier, creativity improves, and work begins to flow without force or resistance. How to overcome anxiety lifestyle. Tips to eliminate anxiety. Here are additional steps I've personally used to keep anxiety away long-term. Eliminate stimulants and caffeine such as coffee, tea, sodas, energy drinks, and excess sugar. Caffeine raises cortisol, drains vitamin B1, and significantly worsens anxiety. Replace stimulants with herbal teas that enhance GABA production, including valerian root, lemon balm, passion flower, lavender, peppermint, and rosemary. These herbs suppress excessive nerve excitation and fear responses. Increase physical movement outdoors. Take slow 45-minute walks in nature daily, especially in areas with trees and plants. Natural oxygen flow and plant oils released into the air have a powerful calming effect on the nervous system. Organize and simplify your living and working spaces. Clutter often creates unconscious emotional stress. As you remove unused items and restore order, your environment becomes calmer, and so does your mind. Diffuse calming essential oils at home, such as ylang-ylang, black cherry, lavender, sage, and jasmine. These aromatic compounds gently soothe the nervous system through inhalation. Finally, prioritize at least 8 hours of sleep every night. Go to bed earlier, turn off your phone, and focus on relaxing each muscle in your body. If your mind begins racing, visualize each thought as a bubble drifting away into the distance. Over time, the thoughts slow, and peace naturally takes over. Do not force sleep. Allow it to arrive naturally. With consistency, cortisol levels normalize, sleep deepens, and overall health improves. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As always, I wish you great health, abundance, and happiness.